This is section 5.3 practice A. We're looking at the back of the worksheet. They're telling you that point T is the incenter of triangle PQR. Find the distance from S to T. Well, if this point T is an incenter, then what that means is these segments coming from the vertices are angle bisectors. So these angles match, those angles match, and those angles match. Now, the thing that the incenter does is it gives you a point that's equidistant from each side of the triangle. So these lengths are all the same. So if W to T is 15, S to T is also 15. No calculation needed. You just have to understand the theory. Number 10. We're going to find the value of x that makes P the incenter of triangle STW. So this is not necessarily the incenter, but what would this be to make it the incenter? Well, here's one thing that I know. I know this is a right triangle, and again, I know my triples pretty well. If I have a 12 and a 13 as the biggest sides in my right triangle, I know that my smallest leg is 5. So that means P to U is 5. It has to be 5. Now, if that has to be 5 and this is the incenter, then what would that make this distance? It's going to make that distance 5 as well. Same thing with distance from P to Q. If that was the incenter, those three segments would have equal lengths. Number 11 is about a bird bath. Your neighbor is moving a new bird bath to his triangular backyard. He wants the bird bath to be the same distance from each edge of the yard. Where should your neighbor place the bird bath? Explain. Well, he should put it on the incenter. Why? Because the incenter, it's the same distance from each side. Number 12, you are planting a tree at the incenter of your triangular front yard. Use the diagram to determine how far the tree is from the house. So this is the house, this is the yard, here's the tree. How far is the tree from the house? Okay, so I'm assuming this 20 is that distance. And I'm assuming that the 16 is that distance. So we've done a problem like this before. There's a 20, there's a 16. What's this guy? Well, all right, so this is x. If that's the incenter, that's x and that's x as well. So you can call this x. It's the same as this. It's a different segment, but it has the same length. Something. 16 and 20. I know my triples. I'm pretty sure this is a 3, 4, 5, just multiplied by 4. So that distance is 12. How far is the tree from the house? It's going to be 12 feet.